to hear me very closely tonight. I am saying something. I want you to hear me very carefully. We have seen the overturning of one of the greatest, strongest demons in America. With the overturning of Roe versus Wade. That demon of death has been rebuked, and the bloodshed has been lifted off of certain places in America. But just as a spirit is driven out, it goes to look for another place where it can land.
Right? Wow. Come on, prophet.
The enemy seeks a place where there's an open door that he can come. You need to listen to me a while. We are here by God's divine design for this time. The enemy tried to stop me from coming in these islands to even deliver this word. The enemy seeks to bring something significant of bloodshed upon this place. But it will be through the intercession of the saints that door will be closed. But you have to rise up in this hour and close the door on that demonic power that is lifted over off of certain states but seeks to come to this place. You have to close that door. Or, listen to me. What did the dragon in Revelation 12, what did he want to do? Kill what? He wanted to kill the baby. The Spirit of the Lord showed me that dragon seeks to bring the spirit of death upon this place. The spirit that lifted off of the nation through Roe versus Wade in certain sections where abortion will not be allowed any longer. He seeks to land in the place to bring bloodshed. And unless there is significant intercession that will come up from these islands, that spirit of death will come into this place.
Terrible reality sinking in after wildfires raced across Maui, the death toll rising and likely to go higher. The urgent search for the missing and the painful questions about the state's disaster warning system, the stunning aftermath, historic buildings turned to ashy rubble, the once vibrant landscape now devoid of color. Along the waterfront, cars abandoned and burned. New images tonight of homes on fire, the fierce wind that fueled them whipping the flames. Families are now being allowed to return home, even as firefighters are still tamping down the burning embers. But some are coming back to very little and struggling to find a place to go.
Across Maui tonight, the catastrophic toll of this historic disaster coming into focus.
Oh my God, it's on fire.
The massive fires claiming the lives of at least 67 people.
I do not know what the final number is going to be, and it's going to be horrible and tragic when we get that number.
And with no power, no internet, and no way to communicate in some places, authorities are still desperately trying to locate as many as 1,000 people. The shelters here overcrowded. Hawaii's governor saying some residents will be able to return today to see their homes for the first time, while asking others to open theirs.
This is the historic Lahaina Town Harbor. I've been here a number of times over the years. This is my first time seeing it after the fires, and it's unrecognizable. And it's difficult to get your bearings because there aren't many buildings left standing. People tell us that it all happened so fast. The flaming embers started raining down from the sky, igniting buildings all around them, and many had just seconds to flee, some even jumping into the harbor, into the ocean, to escape the flames.